How to use SmartDraw review properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. SmartDraw is a versatile diagramming tool, but beginners often make mistakes that slow productivity. Here's how to use it properly. Most people get this wrong. They start without templates. The surprising truth is that SmartDraw has hundreds of templates for flowcharts, org charts, and floor plans. Skipping templates wastes time and risks inconsistent designs. Another common mistake is ignoring layers and alignment tools. SmartDraw allows precise positioning and layering of objects. Not using these features can make diagrams messy and hard to read. Many users also neglect automatic formatting. SmartDraw can auto-adjust spacing, connectors, and alignment. Skipping this feature means manual corrections and wasted time. Neglecting export options is another trap. Diagrams can be exported as PDFs, images, or Office files. Not checking exports may result in low-quality outputs for presentations. Finally, beginners often forget to use collaboration features. Sharing diagrams with teams in real time enhances feedback and speeds up revisions. In conclusion, using SmartDraw properly means starting with templates, utilizing layers and alignment, enabling automatic formatting, reviewing export settings, and leveraging collaboration tools. Avoiding these mistakes ensures professional, efficient, and accurate diagrams.